Hey guys! In this next video, I'm showing you how to do a Dutch braid. Dutch braid is a little bit different than a French braid. A French braid, you cross strands of hair over so that there's actually a braid underneath the hair. In a Dutch braid, you cross strands under, which creates the braid over on top of your head. And so I'm doing the Dutch braid on myself. My husband is filming me doing it on myself. The hand positioning is a little bit different if you're doing it on someone else, so try it on yourself, see if you can follow along watching the video doing it on yourself with the back of your head. I also realized that there are a lot of ways to do a Dutch braid. You can pick up the hair before you cross or after you cross. It doesn't really matter, so if what works for me doesn't work for you, try watching another video and see if you like the way that they do it better. Totally fine. The way that I do it is when I Dutch braid, I am crossing hair always under, and I pick up hair preemptively. So before I'm going to cross, I pick up hair, if that makes sense. So watch the video. I'll try and put little captions at the bottom explaining step by step what I do. That works for me. At the end of the Dutch braid, what I like to do is actually pull the braid out so that it creates this big, full, loose looking braid, kind of like mermaid style. And so I show you how to do that. And then at the end of the video, I also included kind of a quick hairstyle at the end. I seldom put my hair in a Dutch braid unless I'm going for wave, like the night before, like this, or I'm gonna be working out, going for a run, something like that. So at the end, I did a Dutch braid and then I twisted it up into a bun and just showed you that really quick. So take a look, let me know if you like it. I'm thinking about doing another video about how to French braid, but I was gonna wait for some feedback first. So let me know if you like it, try it out on your own, and leave some comments below.